In this lesson, we are going to learn about total energy in SHM. Total energy, which we write as E, is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, total mechanical energy. Potential energy is half kx square and kinetic energy is half k, a square minus x square. So half kx square will cancel out. That is half k square is only left. And this is a constant. And we can also write this as half m omega square a square, because k is m omega square, omega is root over k by m. So total energy in SHM is constant. This is very important. Total energy in SHM is constant. If you look at a SHM, simple pendulum, at the mean position, potential energy is minimum. Kinetic energy is maximum. At the extreme position, potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is zero. So at the mean position, potential energy is minimum, kinetic energy is maximum. At the extreme position, potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is zero. So if you draw the graph of energy versus x, the potential energy graph always looks like U. U is the symbol for potential energy, and the graph also looks like U. At the mean position, U is minimum, you can take it to be 0. Here you have taken it to be 0. Otherwise U is minimum, the graph will look like U. The kinetic energy x graph will look like the inverted U. So this is the kinetic energy x graph, and at the mean position kinetic energy is maximum, at the extreme position kinetic energy is 0. So if you have energy x graph, the graph does not depend on whether you have taken the SHM as x equal to a cos omega t or x equal to a sin omega t. In all cases, the potential energy graph will look like U and the kinetic energy graph will look inverted U. Now if we make a graph of this energy with time, then it depends on whether you have taken x equal to a cos omega t or x equal to a sin omega t. Suppose this is x equal to a cos omega t first, and here we have got time. Here is energy. If we take x equal to a cos omega t at t equal to 0, the particle is at the extreme position x equal to a, and at the extreme position potential energy will be maximum. So the graph will start from here and go like this. This is the potential energy graph. At the extreme position potential energy is maximum. So this is the graph for you. The kinetic energy at the extreme position is 0. So therefore, kinetic energy graph will start with 0, okay, and then it will go like that. So this is the kinetic energy graph. This is the situation if we take x equal to a cos omega t. But suppose some SHM is x equal to a sin omega t. If x is a sin omega t, then these graphs will interchange. Whatever we have written as potential energy will become the graph for kinetic energy, because now at t equal to 0, x is 0, at the mean position, the kinetic energy is maximum. So this thin line now represents kinetic energy, and at the mean position, potential energy is minimum. So this black line will represent potential energy.